Hello, my name is Austin Onfrey. Today I will be talking about Beyond Basketball by Mike Krzyzewski, also known as Coach K. What is Beyond Basketball about? Beyond Basketball is a book by Coach K that shares 40 short stories, hard-hitting essays. Each is centered on an important key word and illustrated with anecdotes from his personal experience. Who is Mike Krzyzewski? Michael William Krzyzewski was born on February 13, 1947 in Chicago, Illinois. He attended West Point Military Academy. While attending West Point, he played basketball all 4 years under legendary coach Bob Knight. After wrapping up his career at West Point, he had enrolled in the U.S. Army. He was honorably discharged from active duty in 1974. Coach K's college coaching career. Coach K started his coaching career as an assistant coach at Indiana University under his former coach Bob Knight. After 1 year at Indiana, he returned to his alma mater, West Point, to coach. He led the Cadets to a 73-59 record. On March 18, 1980, Coach K was named the head coach at Duke University. His first years at Duke were a little rocky. Even in 1985, they considered on firing him, but the athletic director still had faith in him, and Coach K's current record at Duke is 1,084 wins to 291 losses. Coach K has also coached an All-American player 31 out of his 39 seasons at Duke. He has 5 national championships, 15 ACC championships, and 21 regular season ACC championships. Not only did he coach at the college level, he coached professionally at the Olympics. He has 9 gold medals as a coach. He was a part of what may have been the greatest team ever assembled, the Dream Team and the Redeem Team. Coach K's record as a coach for Team USA is 75 wins and 1 loss. Coach K's standards. Coach K holds his players and staff and himself at a high standard. Year in and year out, he adapts to his incoming players. His goal every year is to win a national championship. While reading this book, there were many great words that were used. The chapters were broken up into words, and I picked 2 just to share with everyone. The first word is pressure. Coach K looks at being under pressure as an opportunity to show how strong and capable you and your team really are. Preparation is key if you hope to operate well under pressure. If you think about the potential for pressure in advance, you can use repetition and simulation in practice to help you feel as if you had been in that spot before. One of Coach K's players who handled pressure so gracefully was Christian Laettner, who had led Coach K to his first 2 national championships. The other word that I really enjoyed, words, was giving back. It is not all about winning games. There are much greater battles to fight. Having a positive influence on people, helping others, that's winning. It is important to give back to the people who helped you and are helping you. Giving back does not mean financially. Just one thing that we can all give back is time. It is a unique feeling knowing that you have gotten outside yourself and made a positive impact on someone else. One of the quotes that I really enjoyed while reading this book that Coach K said was, "No matter who you are or what you have achieved, you are incomplete until you find a way to use the blessings you have experienced in your life to have a positive effect on others." What I learned. Coach K's FISH concept is, according to him, this can be any 5 words that you believe will help you succeed. These 5 words represent the 5 fingers that when made into a fist automatically becomes a stronger unit. I also learned how experiences in your life, good or bad, shape your philosophy. It taught me that you are able to succeed in life by setting goals and standards like Coach K. Each one of us has to set our own standards of excellence to guide our success. Lastly, I learned that life is not all about wins and losses. The wins and accolades will come as long as you remember that life is about the process and the journey rather than the outcome. Being successful is about building quality relationships, staying true to yourself, and never quitting. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today. Be safe and remember to never give up.